videos for your test on solving quadratic equations. So if you follow these 10 videos, you'll get all of the skills that you need for solving quadratic equations in using all methods. Okay, so here's the first question. So what are the solutions to the equation 5 multiplied by x minus 6 squared equals 35? So since I only see x once in this equation, it looks to me like it's ready for me to use inverse operations. Remember when we talk about inverse operations, we mean taking that order of operations, PEMDAS, and going backwards. So let's see what we have here. Well, I see a 5 next to parentheses with no operations means multiplication. So I know I'm going to have to do the opposite of multiply, which is divide. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is divide. Then I see I have this exponent here I'm going to have to take care of. Exponent comes out here in my order of operations, so that'll be the second thing I'll do. And then lastly, I have something in parentheses. So parentheses is the last thing I'm going to have to take care of that x minus 6. I got x by itself. Okay, so now that we see all the operations we're going to have to do, let's start following that order. So number 1 says divide. So I'm going to start by dividing 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And I'll divide 5 on the other side as well. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. And on the left side, since this was 1, I just have 1 times x minus 6 squared, or just x minus 6 squared. Okay, next I want to take care of that exponent. Okay, so in order to get rid of that exponent, we take the root, and we're left with just x minus 6. Take the root on this side as well, and we always want to take the positive and negative square root. So we have x minus 6 equals positive and negative root of 7. We no longer need the parentheses because that's all we have left. And now we'll do the opposite of minus 6, which is to add 6. Negative 6 and 6 is 0, so we're just left with x. If we added 6 on the left side, we'll add 6 on the right side as well, and our answer is positive negative root 7 plus 6, just like that. Or we could reverse the order, and we could say that x is positive 6 plus minus root 7.